Hello guys, today we will try viral slime recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and activate notification. For this recipe, I will try to make a wig game soap capsules. First, we need glue that you want. You can use white or transparent. Then, we will use the soap capsule. This is super satisfactory to explode. Oh my god, this is super relaxing. Then let's mix this very well. If you want, you can take with your hands and play with it until the sticky is removed. Seriously, I love this recipe. It is super easy to do. If you like this video, share it with all your friends, and like this video. Also comment your favorite recipe. See you in the following video. Bye.